Well, hello there. Denny Nolan, Ozark Arts and Creations. Welcome. I just finished installing these flower boxes on my wife's she shed that I made on my CNC machine. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you how I made them. I had some cedar boards, 3/4 by 12 left over from a project and decided to build my wife some flower boxes. First, I cut two 9-inch pieces, approximately 9 by 36 inches, which were going to be used for the front. I also tried to cut out as many of the knots as possible. Here you see I have the CNC set up to cut the design on the front panels. These are being made to go in a she shed, so you're going to be seeing some little hearts showing up very soon. Now it's time to cut these front panels to size. These will be 7 by 32 inches. You see the ends of the flower boxes now being cut. There are going to be 4 of these. Since the front of the flower box is tilted slightly forward at 15 degrees, I ripped a 15-degree angle across the top of each panel. I then squared, glued, and clamped each end to the front panel. The next day, after removing the clamps from the 2 front assemblies, I proceeded to cut 2 pieces, approximately 6 3/4 by 32 inches, for the back panels of the boxes. Now I proceeded to fit, glue, and clamp the bottoms of the boxes, leaving approximately 1 inch on each end for drainage. Now it was time to drill pilot holes and screw everything together for solidarity. Now it was time for some finishing touches by cutting a 4 by 32 inch board for a little CNC work. Let's just sit back and watch for a little bit and see what the CNC has in mind for this project. Darn if those don't look like Celtic knots. Of course they are. It was these Celtic knot patterns that I placed on each corner of the flower boxes. Here's a closer look after painting and installation. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more of my videos, please subscribe while you're here.